everyone, this is Drew Staples, and here we're going to be beginning our series on how to learn Python. So if you haven't already, go ahead and open up a Google Colab notebook and open up a coding block. So, like I said, if you haven't watched my last video, I kind of go over the different types of or the different types of fields that Python is used for. And just to reiterate something I said in the last video. That I was talking about the back end, Python being used for back end for software development and for web development, and I was saying how it holds the data, like it holds your profile and accounts. That's actually wrong. I misspoke. That's actually what databases are used for, and then Python and the other back end languages are like the bridging between the databases and the user. So these back end languages allow you to do different things with the databases. Okay, so I just wanted to reiterate over that. So I caught myself saying that in the video. I'm like, oh man, I messed up. So yeah, if you haven't already, go ahead and open up a coding block, and I'm going to be showing you how to write your first line of code. And like I said in the last video as well, I want to keep these videos as short as possible. So I have some notes here from where I'm going to kind of like my curriculum of what I'm going to be showing you guys. So just depending on the length of the video, of how long it is, I'm going to just look at it like that, and then I might cut it short and just include the next topic in the next video. Okay, so if you want to, so in Python you're going to be using a function called the print function a lot, and this print function will allow you to print a certain type of data type out where a user will be able to see it. So in order to activate the print function, you go ahead and type in print, and then you type in parentheses. So just like that. And then inside the parentheses, you can go ahead and, if you put in quotes right there in between those quotes, and just to reiterate, they don't necessarily matter if it's double quotes or single quotes. If you were to type in a message in here and you hit Shift Enter, that message is what's going to print out to the user, so they would be able to see it. So go ahead and type in, "We are programmers." Hit Shift Enter, and look at that. We got "We are programmers." So this is, by using the print function, this is something that the user would be able to see. And also too, if we did a print function again, let's say we wanted to type in a phrase like "let's change the world." So let's go ahead and type "let's," but then we come across this the situation where we need an apostrophe S there, but we already have these quotes right here. So if we were to do that, it would just read it like this right here is encapsulated, and then this is just kind of hanging by itself. So that's, and you can kind of see like this S is white right here, so it's sticking out. So it's letting you know it's not really, it's encapsulated by its quotes, which is what matters. So in order to fix that, you actually have to put a backslash. Then there you go. And then by putting that backslash apostrophe, it's going to allow you to put that character there when you print it out. Okay. So you just type in "let's change the world." Shift Enter, and then look at that. We're already changing the world. So this is yeah. So these are your first 2 lines of code. I think I'm going to end it here. Like I said, I want to keep them as short as possible. But yeah, this is why I love coding. This is essentially what got me into coding. The fact that just from your laptop, you essentially can do something on there where it's going to affect thousands, if not millions of lives, and in a positive way. So just being able to create things from your mind, putting them on a laptop or a computer or just anything, and bringing it out into production for the world to see. That's what really got me into coding in the first place. So yeah, this is just the the first step of many. we're gonna, I definitely am, I consider myself to be a lifelong student. I'm always trying to learn something new every day. The path I'm trying to go down is deep learning, so that's something I really care about a lot. So, but yeah, if regardless of the field that you're going to go into, web development, cybersecurity, the data field, regardless of what you're going to go into, I'm structuring this course where, essentially anybody who wants to, no matter what path you want to learn, this is going to be a course for everyone to, kind of get the basics of it all. Okay, so I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.